estamos. Vamos a hacer el ride a recordar a Alex. Y bueno, es impresionante de verdad cómo se ha unido la gente a este evento. Voy a levantar aquí para que vean. We shall overcome.
Alex Pretti was our buddy. He believed in a peaceful world. While we are reeling from his murder, we also stand in deep gratitude to Susan and Michael Pretti for raising the son whom we respected and loved over the past 2 decades. During college in Minneapolis, bicycles were our main mode of transportation. Campus was large, and bikes offered the most efficient way to get around. They also became our gateway to the city as we biked across the famous Stone Arch Bridge, explored trails along the Mississippi River, and rolled downtown to see the Twins play baseball. It also became our safe place, where our woes would melt away and each rotation of our pedals. Bicycles were our lens into the city's beautiful and diverse culture, which is now under attack. Alex lost his life because he was willing to sacrifice his proximity to whiteness. He did, as any decent person raised should. Stand to protect the liberties and lives of his neighbors. For him and all the people around him.
I'll admit that I don't know him as well as some folks here today, and that's okay. I was asked to speak simply because I think we all understand how much Alex loved people and wanted to protect people. When I met him, he was well known for defending medical residents in the ICU and for teaching us. I was always thrilled when he was taking care of my patients because I knew they were in incredible hands and I trusted Alex with their lives. I could ask him a question and he never judged me, and that's a big deal when you're a new medical resident. I can't describe the horror I felt last Saturday when I realized who had been shot. And I want to thank you all so much for being here today for Alex. Our community loves the support that we've received, and we want to be here to protect you. And I am so grateful, and we are so grateful that you are here backing us up as we protect you and protecting us as well. So, from the bottom of my heart, and that I work with, just say thank you.
Ten times.
The megaphone is dead. I'm going to give you everything I have. Yeah.
We could repeat.
Ride together, stand together.
Together, stand together.
Around the world who join in together in a small moment of joy. But joy is an act of resistance.
Amen.
We are here to mourn in our own ways. Our anger is valid. Together in this moment, we are strongest. Let us never lose that. We respect the memorial's reverence and ask everyone here to do the same for all and for Alex.
Our streets, our streets, our streets, our streets, our streets. Our streets. Our streets. Our streets. Our streets. Our streets. Por Alex y también por todos los inmigrantes.
My hands got cold and I did 3 20-minute reels. Stand there so
Es la que recomendación. No saben cuándo se va no deje caer en la presión y de todo mal. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mía. That's what we are as a country. God bless you. Remember Alex. He brought everybody together. Here we go. Vamos. It's incredible. Thank you. Ya de regreso del ride. Llegando ya a Minneapolis.